Nah, where are you? Hey, who are you? I'm a mad freaking bird, and then I don't have friends. You don't want to be my friend. I'm going to be Witherstorm's friend. And long story. What? Okay, a long story. I visited the Witherstorm's friend, and I said, hey, do you want to be my friend? Yes, sir. I want to be your friend, bro. Okay, bro. Can you tell my last name? No. What is your name? My name is Matt Bird because I'm angry so much. Why did you be angry so much? I don't know, because that stupid Flash. He's being mean. That's not nice, right? I know. Oh, okay. And the last time I said, thank you. You're welcome. Last time I said, I'll go back. So what's the deal? I don't know. I'm just going to go back to the Winter Storm. Okay, bye.